Hi everyone, my name is Matthew Alor, your Microsoft Exam instructor. So today we are going to learn about text to columns. So with text to columns command, you can separate a column as a single column or full names, for instance, into two columns. So we can separate a column of full names into two different columns. So as an example is here, you have a column of full names. So you just select these columns of full name as we want to separate this one into two different columns. So having selected that, you go to the data tab. In the data tools group, you select text to columns. Okay. So here you choose the file type that describes or that best describe your data. So you click on next, and here the separator is space. So you just select space. So space, then you click next. So here you can select the destination where you want the data to start from. So I want data to start from B5. So all I do just delete this and go to B5. Okay, select B5. Okay, and click finish. Okay, you can see the data or the names are now arranged in two separate columns. We have the first name. This starting is praise and Ogiga. So you can see that. So that is how you separate a column into two different columns. So that is a column of full names separated into two different columns of first name and last name. So this is another example. You can see select this data. So you go to the data tab. Now we want to separate with ampersand. So you go to data tools group, you have text to columns. Okay, so limited, then next, then here we are separating with ampersand to remove the space, and in order of field in this box here you type the ampersand as shift 7. Okay, so now you click on next. You can see that the names are already separated to two different columns. Then the next, you just click on next and you choose the destination where you want the data to appear. So here you can delete and go to B29. Okay, B29, you click on this and click on finish. Okay, you can see as well that the names are now separated into two columns. Okay, you have praise Gigai, again Okas David, and if David. Okay, that is how you do that. Then another example is you want to separate art. Separator is art. Okay, so let's see this again as well. Select this down. Then you indicate the cell that you want the data to appear. Which cell you want the data to appear? Indicate the cell you want the data to appear. I haven't selected that. Okay, let's indicate that cell that you want the data to appear. Okay, so we want it to appear in cell B52. Okay, cell B52 has been selected. So you go to data tab, then the text to columns. Okay, sorry, select the data. This is selected. Select the data. Okay, then you go to data tab, then the data tools group, Okay, now you click next, then this should be separated at that shift 2. Okay, then click next, then you indicate the destination of the data, indicate the destination of data. So destination will be B52. Okay, B52 is selected, so you click on finish. Okay, you can see that. So this data has been separated. Okay, so that's how you do that. Then again, I might still want to just specify and decide to specify where you want the data to be. What I'm going to do is to copy this. Let's say I copy names here, then I paste, for instance, I paste in another worksheet here. Okay, so in this case you have the full names which appear here. Okay, let's indicate full name, then first name, and the last name, and the last name here, last name. Okay, so what we'll do, okay, we are going to separate these into 2 different columns. Okay, so in this case we are going to use the fixed column option. The fixed column option, so I've selected that. Okay, I've selected that. Then I go to data tab to ensure you select the names. So we selected the names. We go to data tab, then the data tools group, you select text columns. In this case we're using fixed column. Then you click fixed column, fixed align in columns with spaces between each field. Okay, select next. Okay, in this case you see something like a roller data preview. So you can just indicate where you want the data to be separated. You can see that. So it will be separated at this point. So you click next. Then ensure you select the destination where you want data to be inserted. So you select here B2 and select finish. Okay, you can see, so using the fixed columns, we can see that the data are now arranged into 2 different columns. So based on where that name, right, is that name, the separator that was indicated. So I won't believe we have learned so much in today's class. So we talked about text to columns that allows you to separate a column of data, for instance, a column consisting of full names, then into 2 different columns. So that is exactly what we have learned today. So I want you to as well practice this and ensure that you gain more understanding. So we are actually going to meet again in the next class. So ensure you practice more and more so you can gain mastery of these skill we have learned today. So see you in the next class. Bye. I believe you have learned a lot from the video. So to keep getting this kind of video, ensure you click on the subscribe button and drop your comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.